What are your thoughts on AEs? The term full stack AE has popped up more and more. What's your views?
Well, I think it's a great question. I think everybody is trying to go, at least in the SaaS tech world, right? Everyone's trying to go to a consumption model. Everybody's saying, I believe in my product.
Roles are changing as a result of the customer's needs are changing, right? And as the customer's needs change, the sales process has to change.
Yeah, I mean, look, the dirty little secret, I think, is that it was supposed to be pay as you go. That was the whole point of the cloud. You pay me some money, right? Small deals on a corporate card, whatever, you renew each month. And there were month-to-month deals way back in the day. I remember them. And it was very non-threatening, very sensible versus buying a bunch of software and installing it. But then what happened is sales orgs, will do what sales orgs will do, which is to maximize revenue, with forward demand, which meant creative deal structures, which meant entire careers or functions that were deal gymnastics on creating and architecting consumption plans over time that would go out 5 years, 7 years, and massive numbers and a lot that went along with that, meaning boondoggles and steak dinners and things like that. And I do believe that we're certainly in a different time. It may be gone forever, but the poor customers, a lot of them were locked into these long agreements where the entire conversation shifted to adoption plans. And you never want to be in that mode. Sometimes you have to, but it's not where you want your buyers to be. It's not where you want your customers to be. You want them loving the product and adding more, not stressing about meeting a financial commitment that they made before by rolling it out or convincing people to use it or integrating this and that. So it's overall a good thing for business for us to go towards consumption models and to value product experience. It does change things. A lot of customers are doing, get the new logo, then pass it over to another team that kind of nurtures. So they're splitting what I'll call the hunting and the farming. But a full stack AE, that term means a lot of things to a lot of people. I take it to mean somebody that really handles tip of the spear. So account research, first of all, account tiering, account priority, understands value selling enough to recognize that we're talking about the expense chart. At the end of the day, every business is the same. It's a Rubik's Cube. Money goes in, money goes out. You can solve it. So what are they focused on right now? What are their strategic priorities? What trains have already left the station at this company? Can I get my bags on that train? Which is a quote I heard today, which I love. So finding them and not paying attention to all the rest of that. So that's a huge skill. The second is the outbound research, navigating this new SDR world, executive sponsorships, all that type of stuff. Then working with a sales methodology that I believe now must be more focused on value selling, the customer's business problems more than ever, rather than features and benefits, although those are absolutely critical. But then the full stack AE also, I believe, has more command over their tech in terms of even ability to demo, or at least harbor cruise demo their technology, competitively differentiate, right? Whether you're placing a competitive landmine or whether you're addressing it after the fact, which isn't as fun to do. And of course, all the red zone execution like legal and procurement and all that kind of stuff. But then once they're done, right, in this product-led growth model, in this model where it's consumption-based, even the pricing, what is their initial experience, right? Are partners involved? What's their implementation world look like if there is one? What's the usage? How's the usage indicating that they should grow?